On this video, I will reproduce Itadori's haircut and color. Let's go! To reproduce the amazing look of Itadori, first I will create a low horseshoe-shaped sectioning underneath the curve of the head. I will start the haircut by cutting the undercut using a classic barber technique. The width of your fingers will be a great guide. Detail the nape area on a point. To shape the sideburns, I will use the feather blade. This technique will facilitate the hair going back. To design the perimeter, I will use this sectioning on the top. And using the freeform technique with the razor, I will carve segments around the perimeter, starting from the bangs. I will cut the bangs a little bit longer than the final look. When the hair is wet, the hair stretches and it gets longer. When it's dry, it shrinks back and loses length. For the spiky and textured top area, I will use the condensed technique, creating square sections. Then I will twist the hair and cut it on the desired length. Using the razor blade, retouch the sides and create individual segments, twisting it and cutting it as needed. Now, in dry and quick confidence, I will master those bangs. This type of style works great for round, oval, heart and diamond faces. Not so good for square and rectangular ones. The mix of glide and clay will give me the texture, control and volume that these looks require. I would use wax to create and define the pointy ends for this style. If you get this look, use some hairspray to guarantee the look stays all day long.
This is Angel del Solar doing Son Anime.